Okay, this is video 20, and we are learning how to import a Megascan object into Lumion. So to review the settings, make sure you're only downloading LOD0 and that the gloss is checked on. Then we go back and select download. The zipped folder just finished downloading. I'm going to put these files into the downloads folder. I'm going to close this. Now these are in my downloads folder. I'm going to press Control X on the keyboard and go to where I save my Megascan assets. I'm going to create a new folder. And I'm going to name it whatever this is. Roman column. I'm going to put my files into here. Okay, so I don't need some of these. I don't need this JSON file or this EXR file. I am going to open up the gloss map in Photoshop. Now we're getting into materials, but I'll explain this right now since we're working on it right now. So while that's opening Photoshop, I'm going to go to Lumion. I'm going to import this Roman column. I'm going to copy this link for speed, paste it here, import this. I'm going to put it in my Megascans folder. I'm going to keep this name because that will help me identify where I got it if I ever need to download any of these other files for any reason. So I'm going to keep that name, but I'm also going to add something that's searchable. So Roman column ruin. I'm going to let that import, make sure my gloss map opens up in Photoshop. After the gloss map opens in Photoshop, I want to open up the normal map. So the reason that I've done this is because, well, there's a lot to explain here. Let's just wait till this imports. Okay, it's done. All right, so it's imported. This is LOD0, so it's not a perfect model, right? But if we apply the materials, it will look like a perfect model. So we're going to go to the material editor. And we're going to select this one, standard. I'm going to slide our colorization to 0 and import our color map, which is the albedo. So this is an 8K texture that's being imported. So while that's loading, we're going to go to Photoshop. This is a principle that I would like you to learn too. You can do multiple things at once. While Lumion is thinking, you can do other things. A lot of the time it will be working in Photoshop. So what we need to do is combine the gloss map and the normal map into one file, because that's how Lumion reads it. I'll explain that a little more. But let's press A on the keyboard and then press Control A so that we select this entire image. Press Control C. By the way, Nuno Silva has great YouTube videos about this and why we're doing this. But we go to our channels. We create a new channel. Press OK. So now we have an alpha channel, and we paste that gloss map into that alpha channel. Okay, I'm going to finish this in the next video.